In this session, we are going to see upcoming TallyPrime new update, TallyPrime 2.0 key features. Before getting into the session, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe our channel and click on notification bell to get more in future updates. Let's see TallyPrime release 2.0 key features. First one, e-way bill generation from online. Next, GSTN and HSN code online validation within TallyPrime application. Next, report save. TallyPrime help to save reports as per our requirement as setting configured and view those reports whenever it's required. Next, Tally report in browsing. In TallyPrime 2.0, Tally report in browse with responsive design. It provides consistent visual experience of reports across device irrespective of any device screen size. Next, TallyPrime release 2.0 on AWS. Upcoming TallyPrime release 2.0 version will support on Amazon Web Service platform. Last one is product improvement. Now let's see brief detail of TallyPrime 2.4 new updates. Let's see online e-way bill generation updates in TallyPrime 2.0. We can generate single e-way bill from TallyPrime application. In this application, we can directly log into the e-way bill portal and generate e-way bill number, and we can take a printout of e-way bill. Similarly, we can generate bulk e-way bill through TallyPrime application. Through TallyPrime application, we can cancel the e-way bill or update Part B or update transporter ID or extend e-way bill. In this application itself, we can get e-way bill number or status. By posting single transaction, we can generate e-invoicing IRN number and e-way bill number. This application flexible to export e-way bill in exception cases. We can override the value details. Now let's see online validation of GSTN and HSN code. We can easily verify the party GST number in ledger creation screen as well as alteration screen. Ledger creation or alteration screen, we can see the right hand side button bar, RTL, get GSTN or UN info. Once click on that, as per book and as per portal, the information will be captured here. Here we can able to see registration type, status and e-way bill block status. Similarly, we can verify that HSN during the stock item creation screen. Now let's see report save features in TallyPrime release 2.0. User-wise configuration or settings in the reports. Personalize report view save option in TallyPrime application. As per our requirement, we can configure that any report setting. Save the report view for future reference. While saving, we can rename that my report view. And same setting is applicable for all company or only this company. We can select as per our requirement. Let's see Tally reports in browser. In TallyPrime 2.0, Tally report in browse with responsive design. It provides consistent visual experience of reports across device irrespective of any device screen size. Once actual version launched, we can able to experience it. Browsing report, tap on report title and drill down, navigation, report running balance and multi-tab behaviors. TallyPrime release 2.0 on AWS. This is most interesting features. Normally we will run Tally application in Windows operating system, but TallyPrime release 2.0 will be available on Amazon Web Service on a Linux platform by using emulators Wine. Finally, the product improvement. The lot more product enhancement and product defect is fixed in this release related to e-way bill, TDS, TCS, GST, export and printing. Detail of the product improvement we can see practically once actual release launch. I hope we have shared some valuable information to you in this session. You may like this session and share with your friends. Please subscribe our channel and click on notification bell to get more in future updates.